So I went to install this Pro Pride trailer hitch that came with my. Actually, I didn't come with my old trailer, but I purchased it for that. Pro Pride, these things are just super cool. If you ever get a chance to drive with one, they are awesome. What they do is they take the weight of the trailer and project it up into the bed of the truck, making it drive more like a fifth wheel than a regular towed trailer. So well worth having. The problem is with this thing is it's way too low to the ground. So what happened is I've got like 0 inches of clearance. The thing's just laying right on the ground because this cargo trailer sits so close to the ground. So what I ended up having to do here is put a lift kit on it. So that's what I'm going to be showing you here is kind of what I did to put that lift kit in and how I went about it. But it was quite a process. Nobody makes one, so I had to kind of just think one up myself. Ended up buying some materials and putting that together. So I'll show you here what I did. Ended up I got some 2 inch by 6 inch, 1/8 inch wall welded steel tubing. And what I've done is kind of roughed this up to put the holes in it in the locations where the mounts are on the existing trailer. And then got this all mocked up in place, as you can see right here. That's how I was determining where the holes had to go and everything. And so here's how I put it together. Okay, so underneath the trailer here, you can kind of see where the axle was here originally, and this hole right here originally was up here. So what I've done is put a 2x6 steel tube in here. I put some rubberized undercoating all over it so it's going to seal up nicely and not rust. And then I also put that on to help prevent galvanic action between the steel and the aluminum. So now I've got new holes drilled. I got to drop the trailer down just a little bit yet to get these holes to line up, and that'll all bolt in. I've got that done also for the front end here for both axles, and it should work pretty well. I also built a little framework here for the propane tank. Just welded that up with some scrap aluminum. I still have to strap that tank down, but then that goes off the hose there. It goes underneath, and if I can get underneath here and show you kind of what we've got, you can kind of see the gas line running along back underneath there. I painted it red. Yeah, I know it's supposed to be yellow. Everybody does yellow, but I had red paint, so it's red. That'll keep it from rusting. I'm going to put some stronger clips on that to hold it up as well. If we go around over to here, look up underneath here, I've got one piece of that gas line sticking out right here. I'm going to have that with a quick connect so we can hook a propane connection up to it. That should be pretty cool. And got the back open here. Kind of go see some of the progress inside. So yeah, from the back it's pretty easy to see inside, and you can see that is the bathroom right there. I've got the bathroom floor done now. Those walls are temporarily up. Still have to put the tank underneath that. That's not fastened down yet on the floor, but that tank's going to sit right underneath there. Got the gas line stubbed up for the water heater. Water heater is going to hang on this wall up behind the toilet here. If we go the rest inside, got the cabinet for the kitchen set up here. The sink will be on the left side there. There'll be another cabinet up above. Haven't got that installed yet, but it's built in the basement, ready to come up. Starting to work on a little bit more of the plumbing. There's the gas line that's coming up for the stove. I have a little portable stove with another quick connect there. And then that's also teeing off underneath here. And that's going over to, that'll eventually feed the refrigerator. Just have to get that hooked up too. I don't have a tool to make a flared fitting to hook to that fridge, so I'm going to have to go have someone make that for me. But that's my update right now.